Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you a panoramic photo that I made. And you have to turn the phone sideways. And you should be able to, let me move this, if I can move this over here. And then sometimes you have to, up here in the left-hand corner, use that little phone icon with the arrows pointing back and forth. If you press that, then you get the panoramic view like that. So it's pretty cool, right? And let's show you basic photo here setup. Just take a regular photo here. We're gonna take a photo. Gonna use just a picture. All right. And you turn your phone sideways. You tap the screen. I'm in 200 megapixel in a full view. So just tap the screen so it gets a little focused, right? So when you tap the screen, you can also, that little bar below it is where you can lighten it, the photo, or where you can darken the photo, or you can choose in the icons in the settings. You can choose the night single shot, which is basically almost the same thing. They also have a pro version for photo and pro version for video, which we're not going to get into because it's really complex and most people will never understand the complexity of that. It's equivalent to, you know, a $5,000 camera basically. So here we go with this. Tap the screen, you slide it over to whatever darkness you want, and so I'm going to say right about there for get the best part of that. Press picture. It automatically knows that it's actually nighttime, so I'm going to press the actual in the bottom right. I'm going to tap on that. It's going to bring the photo up. Then you could tap the screen again and you get the picture and panoramic. People they like to take the picture this way, and it's just that's not how, you know, if you like it like that, I guess you do, but if you're getting like no depth or you know, the best part of the picture, when you put it on your computer or you turn it sideways like this, you get the best view. So that's a little bit information for you there. These S24 Ultra, S23 Ultra, they've been updated. The update has also included some of the AI applications that are actually in the phone itself and not on the server. Some of them are on the server. It depends on what program you're using. But in the photo part of it, you can do a lot of things. You can actually, even on the S23 Ultra, this is all basically Ultra, you know, features basically. So if you're not in the Ultra, you're not really, you know, all the Ultra phones are basically, you know, Samsung Galaxy Note. That's the top version. They basically just rebranded the name because it's just silly to have, you know, extra names and extra parts everywhere when basically it's the same phone. They're saving money, but this is a Note. This is a Note 24 Ultra, and you know, the Note, anything in the Ultra is a Note series, the top of the line series, and it will carry all the extra you know, software in there, you know, toys you can play with. When it comes to just everything, you can tweak out everything. When Samsung is not giving you any idea what's happening when you buy these Ultra phones, but let me assure you, everybody says, oh, no, trust me, this phone is way above any of the other series. Not even the flip phones and all that Z crap or whatever you gotta, you know, it's just junk, total junk. These phones can do so much more. Samsung does not disclose all the crazy crap in there when you buy these, but let me assure you that when you do buy the Ultra or the Note series, you're getting the top of the line, and you're getting a lot of options to change everything and manipulate everything. This thing is crazy. You can take a tree out of the picture. You can put yourself in the picture, and if you know how to do it, it's actually really easy and it's really fast. So these phones have become extremely fast. I mean, I have a $3,000 laptop from Samsung. I mean, I'm sorry, Asus, and I used to. It's a gaming laptop, but I don't use it for gaming. I don't do it for gaming. I just use it for the raw horsepower. You know what I mean? So I upgrade a few parts in there, tweak it out, and then you have a high-speed, you know, photo editing software editing, I mean, just everything editing, PC. But the phones are getting so up, you know, so crazy with the speeds and the specs that literally this phone here is basically is beating up my laptop. So it's like it doesn't make any sense to upgrade on the laptops anymore. This thing does it right there on the fly. I can do editing of a picture or photo for a client. I mean, just on and on and on. So like I was saying in the other video, just save yourself. Don't buy it right away, or maybe you can finance it. Pay like the $43 a month that you pay it off, or get it, you know, 3 installments or 4 installments, and or just pay, you know, whatever the carrier has. I do highly recommend, though. I'm just trying to be nice to everybody and trying to give you the inside scoop that you're better to go to the Samsung website, okay, and look at all the different colors they have. They have like 8 or 9 different colors there in the titanium series there, the S24 Ultra, and they go from 128 storage to 256, 512, and they have 1 terabyte, which is 1,000 gigs. They're all 12 gig of RAM in all the phones. And what I was saying before is you want to definitely, you can get the unlocked version from the factory. Don't trust anybody in town and let them play with your phone, because a phone that has software from the carrier already in it, when you go to unlock it, you can brick your phone, or and make it totally disabled, or you can just you can have somebody unlock it, but then some of the functions don't act right, or Wi-Fi calling doesn't work right, or you know, YouTube doesn't work right, and then you're done. It's over with. There's no fixing it at that point. And there's no bloatware. Bloatware is like when you go to like AT&T and get the same phone, and they got AT&T, you know, TV, AT&T, da da da. They got a million programs in there that are all total shit, that are junk, just clogging your system up. And there's usually like 3 or 4 that you can't delete, and they're totally just a pain in the ass. So when you go to the Samsung website, you're able to select all the local carriers if you want to, and you can also select all the colors, because most of the stores only have like 2 colors, if that, maybe 3 if you're lucky. All right, and you can select any storage option, any color option for any carrier, and you can do the same thing with the main storage, because these phones do not have expandable storage like they used to. They're kind of a pain in the butt to hook up the storage and transfer to a computer and all that crap like that. I'd just rather get the higher storage capacity and be happy with it. And like I said before, the actual unlocked phone from the carrier is going to give you the best performance, the best quality, the better experience. All right, and on top of that, when you go to trade your phone in next time or sell it, you're going to be way above everybody else. And Samsung, if you trade it into Samsung, they're going to give you a lot better deal, because you have the top of the line phone. Or you sell it to somebody or whatever, trade it in at the local carrier, they're never going to give you a good deal. But if you sell it to your friend or something, or a shop that deals with cell phones, not the actual carrier shop, then you can probably get something from it. But the best deal is you get the highest capacity memory. It gets a better performance, it's faster, it's better, okay? And in the long run, you're going to have the most value. Instead of getting like a, you know, $650 trade-in value, you're probably going to get like the $980 trade-in value. When the next phone comes out, the S25 Ultra, is probably going to be like, you know, $1499 or whatever, $1399, and then basically you're going to trade your phone in, and now you're only paying like, you know, $480, $550, and you're getting the best of the line phone again. So if you just save a couple dollars and, you know, go with the best, then you trade it in, and you get the next time you get the best one, and you're going to have the best of everything. But anyway, I want to cut this video short. Hope there's some information in there you guys found useful, and if you got any questions, leave it below in the comment section, and I can try to answer them for you. All right? Y'all have a good one. Peace.